Okay, I'm inside the Google Sheet. I won't be needing this. All right, so I'll just close the Gemini. I need to basically import a CSV file, all right, from my machine directly into the spreadsheet. Okay, I'm not going to upload it into Google Drive, then later import it in. Okay, because I don't need to keep it. So I will need to import. So I have to go to the file, and there is an import over here. See, right, you can actually go to the file and import over here. Now, of course, if you upload the file into your Google Drive, you will see it over here. Of course, you have share, recent, and so forth. But I'm gonna just upload directly into this Google Sheet. So I'm gonna browse my file, or I can drag it here. But I should here it is. Right, so this is the file that I want. It is a CSV file. All right, because it's inside my computer, so it's picking up it as a Microsoft Excel, but it's actually a CSV file, comma separated value file. So I'm going to open this. Take a moment to analyze it. All right, I will replace the current sheet, and I know it is a comma separator. All right, so I will use this and click import, and you can see all my data is here. Right, the rate, okay, the code, okay, is here, which later on I will proceed to show how to use this with the Gemini.